Welcome to Paper Cut Crafts. Today we're going to do Paper Pumpkin from May of 2020. It's called A Kit in Color, and it has all the new in colors for this new catalog.
This stands for Alabama.
That's pink. So we got rainbows. And wait, please stop. And Misty Moonlight is our color. And Celebrate in Color. And then this is the next one. Sign up by the 11th. Well, let me get the ink open. Okay, so we have A Kit in Color. We are going to make, the kit makes 12 cards of 3 designs. So we have rainbow, fun bright sun kind of idea, and another rainbow type thing.
Want to take this plastic off?
Yes. So we only have 4 steps.
That was easy.
We got twined and dimensionals with our... Dimensionals are fun. The dots are a little tricky sometimes. So we also have our...
Look at these.
Ooh, those are neat.
We got some of this.
That's probably good. Neat. So we have vellum. I don't want to smell it.
Smells pretty good.
Okay, envelopes.
Envelopes.
Just a minute. We got die cut clouds and tags. We got vellum
Look at that one.
tags. More die cut pieces. Here's our card pieces.
Thank you, Henry.
Another vellum,
this.
more vellum stuck in between.
I just took this. I just took it.
You took it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you wanted to do the rainbow?
Yep.
Okay, that's not the rainbow. The rainbow, not this piece. This piece. These two.
Yes.
So take those teeth, not that one. And then you also get a green card. Which one did you want to do?
Which one?
He's doing this one. Which one do you want to do?
Which one's the easiest?
They're all fairly easy. That one? Okay, so you get one of these.
Ooh, that's a pretty pink.
Oh, it seems shorter.
What?
These ones are note card, like they're different size. So that's a note card, and these are regular size cards. It's interesting. I wonder why they did that.
Can I put this in like this?
Okay, and then you get that piece.
Let me put this up.
You also get one of those.
Oh, I get a vellum tag.
You also get this piece.
Hey, I can use this for a card.
It is a card.
It's really so
Okay,
nice.
you get this piece.
Make it a card.
What's
on
down
your
here?
hand.
Okay, and
Just
then
have you, dude.
I'm doing-
You're a festival card maker.
What?
and then I'm doing this
I talked it to mom, not you.
this one.
Honey.
Okay, and then we all get some twine when time comes. I get this interesting little piece. I guess it goes like that. And then I get the clouds.
Finish.
It's supposed to be on the bottom. The type supposed to be on the bottom of
You can
words.
put it in the top, but the picture has it down on the bottom.
Finish. I finish.
Ow! I hit myself.
Maybe once you take those off.
No.
No, that's part of it.
Oh.
That's the design. Okay, so our...
Don't break it. Don't
No,
break
there's some
it.
lines on top.
I think that's just the design. See, look, the little bumpies are on the picture. So I think it's design. See how this one has the clouds have little
I'm missing something.
stitch?
Oh, so then I can't
Yeah.
pull it off.
No, don't pull it off. It is part of the design. It's a stitched edge. What are you missing?
That. These things.
Those go on last.
Oh.
Okay. So first step is to stamp your sentiments on the die cut labels in largest cloud. Then we're going to adhere the printed die cuts largest and smallest clouds vellum pieces to the cards with the dots. When adhering vellum to card bases, hide the adhesive behind the clouds and the labels. Okay, because vellum, the adhesive shows through vellum. You don't have any vellums, but it shows through. So you want to hide it behind things.
So you want to make it look.
So you don't see it. And then it says adhere labels and medium clouds to the cards using dimensionals. Tie bows using 14 inches of twine per bow. Adhere using adhesive dots. Adhere puffy stickers. So these are the puffy stickers. Okay, so that's the directions.
That's all it says.
That's all it is. Alright, so why don't you stamp yours? Yours is Oh Happy Day.
Not mine.
Mine?
Yours, yes. Okay, so you're going to stamp that right on. No, you don't need this until after you stamp. You're going to stamp it on here. Okay.
This.
And then yours.
I got some ink.
Okay, and you get.
Done. Yes.
You get amazing. You're amazing.
What?
I get hey. And then there's always fun extras. Alright.
Why is this?
Why do you sniff everything?
It smells good.
That's weird.
Like this. I want to do it. That sounds like a watery.
It's not watery. I don't know why you keep thinking things are watery.
Where's my rainbow? Where's my rainbow?
Okay. No, that's your rainbow. You're not stamping a rainbow. Alright, so we're going to get 14 inches of twine. Yeah, you may use the dots.
Oh, I don't like dots.
I know, dots are difficult. Okay, so I will put the dots on for you. You can peel off the...
I could peeling. Get peel banana, peel banana, peanut peel, banana peel.
Peel those off and then put it on
Banana
there.
peel, I see.
And then all we're doing is actually bows, we're not wrapping the twine. I like this color. So the colors are, on the back of them always tells you what the colors are, also what's included in the kit. So the colors are Bumblebee, Just Jade, Magenta Madness, that must be this, Misty Moonlight, that's the ink, Pumpkin Pie, and Purple Posy.
I'll get that one.
This is a purple posy.
It must be,
And I
because
stick
the
this
pink
on.
would be the
Right
pink,
there.
obviously.
Pinky pink.
Okay, and then you can use the dimensionals. Yeah. Okay, and then put the dimensionals on the back of this one and put it on the bottom of the rainbow. Okay, you just need to stick yours together.
That's all I need to do?
Yep. So this is what it looks like.
twine.
I'll get the twine.
Can you give me?
Okay, so you're going to put.
I'm tired. I cannot pick it up my.
You're going to put this one centered. You're going to put that one centered on your card. And then you're going to put this one like this on the bottom corner. And then this goes on top of
The
it.
high goes.
And then your twine goes like right here. And then your puffy stickers go around. Okay?
You know where I like it.
Right?
Okay.
And I'll take my one more. Marco.
What?
Marco.
Please say that.
Carlo.
I should send this one
Okay,
first.
and then I have.
Oh,
then you get a
I'm
dot.
finished.
No, not quite. Put it down.
Cut it.
Okay,
Go to
this
sleep,
dot,
little man.
put this on the knot of that bow goes on that dot, okay?
Okay. Can you help me?
I just tied the bow. Why'd you untie it? It was tied.
Sorry.
Now put the knot on that dot. You have to take this backing off.
Wait.
Come on, get up there. Bend it.
Now there's a knot on the knot. And
Okay, you got that
There's
part.
1, 2, 3, 4 of this. Of that.
Look what he did.
What?
It's 4.
You used 4 random ones. Let's go in the house.
On that.
It's OCD.
Was it me?
OCD. It's just that you like things in order, and he did not do it in order. Okay, you can pick 3.
3 or what? Oh, 3 of those.
Bubba, you
Maybe
pick
we'll-
3.
I want to feed them.
When it's your turn.
Ah.
Okay, can you do a bow?
Blue. Oh no.
I'm in there.
They're sticky. Just stick it right
Can
on.
I do like
Just pick it up and stick it on.
that type? I
Yeah.
can do like
Wherever you want.
like shoelace ties and like
You can tie a bow, but not if it's just random.
yeah.
So 3?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't want my
Hair was in
phone.
my mouth. Oh my goodness, that's a
Number
long tail.
2.
Well, you can trim it.
I use this
Okay,
one.
you were supposed to be.
Ew, like,
You can trim it.
And then-
I want to see how long it is.
Oh, I took the glue off with my thumb. Oops.
10 inches.
Ta-da!
Wait,
Alright, oh,
okay.
you're supposed to do one of these with dimensionals.
What?
One of these are supposed to go on with dimensionals. Labels and the cloud are supposed to go on the dimensionals.
Now what
Your
I'm
label is
supposed
supposed to go on with a dimensional. Do you want to peel it off and put a dimensional on?
This is on it. This
Yes, I put that on there.
Yeah.
You want to try and take it off?
Yeah.
Alright, okay, this is for your
But
bow.
ribbon. It's
The,
10.
twine.
It's 6 inches.
Okay, sorry.
Let me grab 2. Not randomly.
Now,
Your foot. Here.
Thanks, it's good.
Okay,
he
go.
just does not want to go for a nap.
He hears us and tries to get out. It's a one shot.
Was that good, Slurpee?
Get your mug.
Yeah, that's your mug.
I said get it.
Get that mug.
And
I was
then
measuring
you
how
can
long.
pick 3 as well.
I was measuring
Okay,
this. It's
take this off and put your bow on it.
Is mine done?
such a
Oh,
mess.
Am I
do you
done?
want to yes. Do you want to trim your
I like it. I like it.
you like that? Make your bow a little bit smaller though. There. You
not
like it that
funny.
long?
Yep.
You like this that long?
Yep.
Okay, you show the camera.
It's really hard.
Okay, put the bow on. Put the bow on first, so that way you can adjust it, and then you will put your other pieces, and then you can trim it.
There.
Okay, now
I
you
didn't
make
know
your
this.
You like the bow the way the bow is? Never mind.
Look, I do.
Yeah.
Look what I did.
Disney is
Okay,
short
don't
string.
mess with the bow.
It
Otherwise
didn't
it'll
need
come
that long.
Bubba is out.
You're done and now you're gone?
There.
I will get rid of my hand.
It was too.
No, he needs to nap. Leave him alone.
It was too long and it probably will get in the way, so I had to trim it down so I could adjust it a little more.
I will got myself.
Whatever.
Now, he needs 3 on it. Like that and there.
Oh, Oh, it's cute.
Round bow.
Will that puffy sticker stay there though?
I squish it quite a few times. It's not moving.
So this is a pretty easy kit then, hey?
Yeah.
Sometimes you sit there going, I don't get this. Or it takes long, but this is a really easy one. Which is nice. I like those ones.
And if we put anything on twine, what?
I got bound on them. Let's hold. It got me inside them.
Uh-uh. I have silly help today.
I like this side because
This would be a fun one to do alternates.
open this up like this.
You have your silly cake today? My goodness.
Then series it back.
There's that.
Open this up for this. Then you open it.
I call it onesie.
So there are the cards all finished. Real easy, real quick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.